Hey everyone, welcome to the final episode of our AI for Beginners with Python series. Over the last 11 episodes, we have learned everything from Python basics to machine learning, neural networks, and even the latest AI tools of 2025. Today, I'll show you how to turn your AI skills into real world projects, build your portfolio, and start your AI journey, whether you are a student, coder, or future AI engineer. Let's dive in. Before we move forward, take a moment to appreciate how far you have come. Here's what we have covered in the series: Python for AI, basics, data types, functions, loops, NumPy, Pandas, and Matplotlib, machine learning algorithms, linear regression, decision trees, neural network basics, AI tools and automation, Hugging Face, Copilot, AutoML, and more. That's a solid AI foundation. Now let's finish this series with one final project: Student Performance Predictor 2.0, upgraded with real world features. Now listed below are the project goals. Predict student using ML, add a simple front end using Streamline, and then visualize performance trends. Let's get started. Now we are going to create a file and name it as student underscore performance underscore app.py. So student underscore performance dot underscore app.py and hit enter. Now what we are going to do is create a CSV file with extension .csv. So student underscore performance .csv. Now this is all the data that we are going to use for our project. Now what you can do is copy the same data from description or create a new one. Coming back to our Python file, open the terminal and type this. This will install our dependencies for Streamlit and ML integration. This is what we are creating in this program. Here we have a title, Student Performance Predictor, and then we have a subtitle or file uploader title as upload CSV file. This is where we are going to upload our file. We can browse like that, or we can simply drag and drop our file here. I'm going to upload my CSV file, and this is how our dataset preview looks. We got the name of our CSV file here, then the preview, model trained successfully, our R square score, which is 0.99. We can also add a student details like enter study hours, attendance, so that our model can predict. Let me show you how. So let's enter study hours, like for example 8 hours. Then we are going to press enter, and then the attendance percentage, let's say 92%, and click on predict, which will predict marks, which is 88.13. Here we have also visualized our data. This is what we are going to create. Let's get started. We are going to import all our libraries and then type the title Student Performance Predictor. Now we are going to create a variable called uploaded file. Upload CSV file and then the type of file, which is obviously CSV. Now if file is uploaded, we are going to read our CSV file and then we will preview the dataset. So df equal to pd dot read CSV, and then we are going to read our CSV file. st dot write data set preview df dot head. Now we want our features and target, and then we are going to split our data and train the model. So x equals df and then hours underscore studied, and s must be capital, okay, and attendance y equals df final marks. Now we are splitting the data x train comma x test, then y underscore train, so creating variables basically, equals equals train test split, and inside this we are going to pass the values x comma y comma test size equals 0.2 and then random state equals 42. So let's train our model. Model equals, we will use linear regression, model dot fit x underscore train comma y underscore train. We will now evaluate our model using R square score and then show model trained successfully and the model accuracy. Now we are going to create a subheader, enter student details, such that the user can enter hours and attendance and then get predicted marks. At last, we are going to visualize our data. To run this app, you have to open the terminal and type Python 3 space hyphen m space streamlit space run, then space, and type the name of the Python file. And we got our output. Now that you have learned and built projects, it's time to showcase them. You can create a GitHub profile, LinkedIn, or personal website, or you can be a YouTuber or blogger. For GitHub profile, upload your projects with README, screenshots, and datasets. Example, student predictor, spam detector, handwritten digit organizer. For your LinkedIn or personal website, post your AI projects with result. Add skills like Python, ML, pandas, AI tools, and more. For YouTube or blog, you can record demos explaining your AI code. When you share the knowledge, you boost your credibility, which helps others to learn, like this series. Here's how you can keep growing after this course. Remember, AI isn't learned in one day, it's practiced, built, and shared. If you have made it till here, congratulations! You are officially ready to start your journey as an AI developer. This isn't the end, it's your beginning. Every great AI engineer once started here, learning Python, building simple models, and staying curious. So keep building, keep experimenting, and keep believing in yourself because the future is AI and you are a part of it now. If you found this series helpful, drop a heart in the comments and tell me what you'd like next. Should we continue deep learning, AI projects, or AI tools in action? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this series with a friend who wants to start AI. Until next time, keep coding smart, and I'll see you in the next series.